Hey coffee coders, welcome back to Coffee and Coding. Today we are going to discuss about
Devara Katha.
here variables are just like those containers which carry some particular value in it, just like cup holds coffee. And now let's see what is a variable in Python and why they are important in programming. What is a variable? A variable is a named location in the memory used to store data. Now let's take an example here. For example, name is a variable and Devara is the data stored in it, and age is a variable and 41 is the data which is stored in it, and height is a variable and 5.7 is the data stored in it. And what type of data it is? Name is string type of data, age is integer type of data, and height is float type of data. And now let's see the major key points of Python variables. Variables can contain letters, numbers and underscores, and variables cannot start with a number, and variables cannot use Python keywords like if, for and class, and it is a case sensitive. Capital and small are different. Let's take an example. A variable should not start with a number, it will be an error. A variable should not start with if, else, etc. It will be an error. A variable should not contain a dollar symbol. It will be an error. Just like this.
Emotional damage!
Now let's see the correct format. You should use underscores instead of space while mentioning a variable, and see the examples for that. My underscore name and total underscore amount. We are not using any spaces, and a variable should start with a text and then we can add number in it. Please name your variables wisely or else Python will say this dialog for sure. Python will automatically assign data value based on the given value here. Let's see, x equals to 10, y equals to 3.12 and name equals to Devara, and is underscore happy equals to true, and let's give fruits. Let's take three different types of fruits here like apple, banana and cherry. And now let's see how Python will automatically assign its data type which is stored in a particular variable. We need to use this statement here. Let's check for x stores integer type of data. Next let's check for name, what type of data it stores. It stores string type of data. And next let's check y, what type of data it stores. It stores float type of data. And now let's check for fruits variable which we have mentioned above, what type of data it is. Let's check. It is list type. Now let's see how to assign multiple values in a single line. It is quite simple. Let's take an example. A, B, C equals to 10, 20, 30. These are the values, and let's print A. The value of A is 10. Let's print B. B is 20, and let's print C. C is 30. And now let's see how to assign same values to multiple variables. Let's take an example. X equals to y equals to z equals to 100. Let's assign 100. So let's print x value. Let's print y value, will get 100 again, and let's print z value, will get 100. In Devara movie, Janvi Kapoor first had crush on Devara, so she has assigned Devara as crush, and then she has printed crush. She got Devara. Afterwards, due to some XYZ reasons, Devara, Kon and Vara came into scene. Again she got crush on Vara, she has changed the crush as Vara and printed crush again. Output is Vara. We can change the variable values if it is required. Use meaningful names like user underscore name better than x, and please follow Python name conventions like underscores, and keep code readable. When someone see your code, you should make them to feel it good, not like a dump yard which is full of garbage and full of bad smell. Let's have a practical example. Here we are assigning a name variable and we are giving a function called input enter your name, and this function promotes the user to enter their name just like this. Here I am giving name as Devara And here age is a variable and int converts any entered value from a string to an integer, as the input is always stored as a string by default. And this asks user to enter your age, and this ensures age variable stores number instead of text. Just remember, this print is a message to the screen. Here fstring is a formatted string which allows embedding variables inside within the string. We are entering hello and name will be replaced with the username, and UR and age will be replaced with the user age. And next, please make sure of all this commas and brackets, and done. And guys, now it's your turn. It is very easier than flirting with some XYZ and impressing them. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video, and in the next upcoming session we are gonna discuss about data types in detail. Thanks for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.